rental income in Cyprus. Today's example is about a company who earns 12,000 income per year. In our example today, we assume that we have a company whose main activities is to rent properties and earn rent income. Of course, we have two scenarios. The first scenario is that the company makes a profit, and the second scenario is that the company makes a loss. First scenario, the rental income plus any other income that may arise from their activities, less the expenses of the company, make us a profit. Let's use our numbers here. The rental income is 12,000 plus any other income, which is, let's say, 3,000. Let's put 5,000 is better. Less 3,000. So that company has a profit of 15,000. In our second example, the company has the same rental income, 12,000, the same other income, 5,000, but for some reason the company has an increased expenses, let's say 37,000. So in that case, we have a loss. Now we need to make our calculations and see how much tax this company needs to pay. Before this, it's important to say that according to the Cyprus tax law, the rental income in Cyprus is taxed under two types of tax. The first and the most common is the SDC. This is called Special Defense Contribution. Everyone in Cyprus needs to pay this tax. The second type of tax is the income tax. This is, let's say, the company's tax. If a company makes profit, it needs to pay this tax. Remember, you pay this tax according to your not accounted profit, but according to your taxable profit. We will explain in another videos the difference between taxable profit and accounting profit. Let's calculate first our SDC, the first type of tax. You do not need to pay tax for the whole rental income. You need to pay only for the 75% of your rental income. This is a restriction in our favor. So let's find the taxable income. The taxable income is 12,000. Multiply this restriction. So we need to pay tax only for the 9,000. Of course, we don't pay tax 9,000. We need to apply the tax rate. The STC tax rate is 3%. Now in our scenarios, we will pay tax only for 270. But of course, we need to pay income tax. We need to pay tax because the company makes a profit. And here, the rate is more high than the STC tax. In our case, the profit is 15,000. 15,000 is the taxable profit. Okay, the tax rate for the income tax, if it's company's corporation tax, is 12.5%. So we need to pay tax here for 1,875. Okay, this we will pay this tax because the company has profits because of the rental income and because of the other income. Now I split this to the rental income and to other income. The other income is 375% and the rental income tax is 1,575. 1,500. Let's see why. 1,500 is because the rental income is 12,000 and the 375 is because of the other income. The other income is 3,000 net. Let's see why it's 3,000. Let's see. Okay, here we have other income 5,000 less the expenses, so we pay tax for this 3,000 net. So let's see now if the company is a loss making. If a loss making, it's very simple. Of course you pay STC, you cannot avoid this. For 270 the same with a scenario, and of course because the company is a loss making company, you will not pay any income tax, corporation tax. Now let's go to the final part of our example, the most important. Let's say that the company is a profit-making company, has profit from rental income and expenses related to the, and no, let's say no expenses. Let's say that the company has just rental income. How much tax you need to pay? What is the percentage of your tax deductions? Of course, we need to put together the STC tax and the income tax. And this is the maximum tax you will pay if you are a company who, with main activity is to rent income, properties and earn income. So your total tax is 14.75%. Taking into consideration that you are a profit-making company and you have only income and no expenses.